Hello, hi, and welcome. Let's see, let me check. 1 second, that works fine. Perfect. How's everyone doing? It is still freaking hot here, but the rest, everything's fine. So that works, this is fine, this is good. I've got music on, so if I'm nodding my head and stuff, it's because I've got music on. But I don't. I always get problems with the copyright stuff, and it always annoys me. So that's why you cannot hear what I hear. I'm sorry. There we go. So, hey, hi. Hey, Rockbrace. Hey, Shirok. Hi, Howtux. Hi, everyone. Does it lag? Looks like it lags. We don't need so much. We don't need high quality, so I'm going down with the quality a bit. No, screw it. I won't. So, but you're still in. No. Well, programming takes a lot of experience, that's true. Let me check my settings, because it seems to lag. Hey, Shemaslan, hi. So, went down with the quality. Yeah, I haven't continued. I have not continued with this chest thingy here from the last time. It's still the same, and it looks like I'm losing a lot of frames. Why? I'm losing 30% of the frames that I'm sending. Should be fine. No. It's on and off. Oh, on and off, on and off, on and off. Does it lag? Can anyone tell me if it lags? Because here it tells me, if I show you my settings here, it says that I'm losing 30. That's right behind me, just there. It tells me that I'm losing 32% of my stuff that I'm sending. And this turns red all the time, which is bad. Strange. Let me try and go down with the quality even more. 3,000. Ooh. 2,500. Oh, that's such a shitty quality, but maybe that works. It's not my PC though. It's not my internet. It's something else. It's probably the server. Hey, hi. So good. That should work. Strange. So here's what we have from the last time. I changed one thing. I just changed one thing, like the figurines we have. Wait, let me actually maximize on play. The figurines that we have. Wait, no, don't do that. And you actually misspelled that, I think. I just changed the icons of these because I don't want to get stressed with YouTube. The icons, they're not really male and female anymore. I just have the queen like this, the king like this. So what we have the field. From last time we still have the field. I think the first thing I want to change, it shouldn't lag anymore. Now I see everything's fine. Should be. Yeah, the thing that we're going to change first is the background of these. It's kind of annoying, I would say. It still lags? What the frick? Maybe it's my music. Let me turn off. Maybe it's Spotify. Maybe it is. Maybe. Shouldn't I usually don't have Spotify? Does Spotify take so much bandwidth? Probably doesn't. That's really interesting. I'll watch it. Good. So the first thing that I want to change is the background here. I'm a little camera shy. I'm not camera shy. I'm there. Hello, I'm there. What the fun? Keeps lagging. Is it my internet? Let me check if it's my internet. Speed test. Should not be. I know what it might be. Oh no, my internet. No, my internet. It should be my internet. No, my internet's fine. Strange. Good. Just let me know if it's unbearable, then I'll try to change it. I would have to probably reload, but that's how it is sometimes. So the first thing I want to change, the first thing today, maybe we can finish chess. Maybe we can, Chirac. Maybe that's the plan for today. We'll get as far as we can in like 1 or maybe 2 hours. So these, they have this background. I want to get rid of the background here. So I will have to depth the pictures, which is also, that also belongs to programming. And it's gonna be pretty quick, I would say. Maybe that takes 5 minutes. So we have prepared these pictures from the last time. And in Unity, I can go right click and show an Explorer. And now it's going to open the folder. What speed test? I use Ookla. It's called Ookla. It is probably the best speed test that's out there. It's a really good one. And now I actually want to change those pictures. You have a tip for me? Oh, there's so much text. Always remind yourself of water. There's water. Here's water. Ow! Why would you do that? That hurts a lot. I usually don't go swimming. Sounds dangerous, yeah. There we go. So those pictures I want to change, and I will just do it. I have Photoshop, but I'll still do it in in Paint. Paint 3D is actually quite nice. Paint 3D. Hey, Carol. Beep beep. Paint 3D is actually quite nice, and I will just change. In Paint 3D, we can easily get rid of the background. There's a magic wand, and I'll just get rid of the background here. Boop, boop. And it's gone, basically. You see, the background is gone. The only thing I need to do now is basically this and that, and background is gone. You see it? And that's what I have to do for every single figurine, but it takes a minute. And that belongs to programming, believe me or not. Here we go. Bishop. No, this is the bishop. Yeah. Did that work? Save? Sure, why not? Yeah, sure, why not? I want to save everything. Bishop. Did it work? Has it changed here? It hasn't changed here. Has it? No, it hasn't. Do I have to replace it? No, wait, what? It's gone now. It's gone. I deleted it. That's the problem with a white background. I never know if the background's there or not. Let me check again. Paint 3D. Maybe I did something wrong. Magic wand, get rid of the background. There we go. Keep these places here. Got this, got that. Yeah, that looks good. Get rid of the area back here. Get rid of it, and it's transparent. Good, perfect. Maybe I need to save it in a new file. You want to play Jackbox? Oh, I will have a Jackbox pretty soon, probably. I will save this as. Let's save it as a new one. Bishop. No BG. NobG. That's how I call it. Where is it? Not there. What? Where did I save it? Did anyone pay attention where I saved it? And the internet is fine now. I think it's not lagging anymore. Maybe it was Spotify? Maybe it was. Who knows? Where am I saving this stupid thing to? Oh, desktop. I'm saving it on a desktop. I'm an idiot. Everything was fine from the beginning on. I just... Okay. Save. The only thing I hate about Paint 3D is that it sucks. So let's see. It's on the background. It's here. It's this one. So, okay. Get rid of that. Bishop, no BG. Bloop. There it is. Look at this. This is beautiful. I can get rid of these now. So, and that's the only thing that I have to do this now for every single piece. Now it takes 5 minutes because I know what I'm doing. And I need to replace it in the sprites here. That should already look way better for the bishop. Look at the bishop now. It has no background. Perfect. What happened? What happened to Carol? What? Beep 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 beep. She just writes beep beep. Looks like someone's on the toilet. Yeah, so I will have to do this for the rest of the pieces as well. Paint 3D. I could have done that off stream actually, but nope. You're going through everything the same way I do. So I want to keep this, I want to keep that, I want to keep this whole area here. Yeah, that's fine. That's good. Push that to the side. Wait, no. Don't take the magic wand. Cancel. This area needs to go. Transparent background, and here we go. There, we got the king. Why do I do streaming? Good question, Chirac. No, it's not really for the money. It would be great if that would be like, if I could earn a living by it, but, well, it's just fun. It's mostly fun. Let's give this a name, which is King Nobji. Next. It's there. Good. Well, I didn't see it for a second. I was like, hey, it's gone again. Ugh. Let's paint open here. Hey, greetings back to Greece. Someone get me a super chat. No super chat. I don't even know if I have it turned on. Here we go. I got this. That's the most beautiful horse. No, get rid of these areas. Why does the magic wand sometimes not work? I hate this. Oh, come on, magic wand. I just want to get rid of this whole area here. God damn it, magic wand, I hate you. I'm not Greek. Mache Mark. I can't read Greek letters. Solving astronomical problems in Greek. Yeah, that's what Greek. They did that a couple of 100 years ago, probably. Oh, now this is gone. What the flippity. That should be fine. This is also there. This is gone now. Give me this. Yeah, that looks okay-ish. It's not perfect, but it looks okay-ish. There we go. Get rid of this area. Oh my goodness, this is really annoying, actually. That's why I didn't do it off stream, because it's just annoying. Transparency. Yes, there we go. Got it. Save as night. No BG. We're almost done. 3 more. Oh man. Why does it ask me 5 times? Do you want to save? 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 Yeah, I do want to save. That's yes, please. Oh, there is. Hurry up and get this thing going. Yeah, okay, so the super chat is on. No. Thank you, Rotten Brains. Thank you. So now we know super chat is on. You hate the Greek alphabet? No, the Greek alphabet, I can't read it, but it's in mathematics, it's nice to have. I don't know. I'm thinking about the NATO alphabet, not the Greek one. I learned both. Alpha, beta. I can't do it anymore. Gamma, delta, stuff like that. I mean, it's just letters. So let's see, that worked. Here we got the pawn. Give me the pawn. Oh, god damn it. That goes on here. Save that, please. I still can probably do the NATO alphabet that the military uses. That the standard alphabet that everyone should use. Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot, Golf, Hotel, Lima, Mike, and so on and so on. Which one did I? No, pawn. No, BG. We're almost done. Just the queen and the rook missing. Hope I didn't do anything wrong. Oh, god damn it. Why does it ask me 5 times? Hate that. What is Super Chat? Super Chat, Rotten Brains just did a Super Chat a minute ago. And that's like, you can spend some money and it's gonna be pushed, and I will receive like a huge, like a huge message. You see this? That one here was Super Chat. And I see it like how much money, and I see it more colorful, and it's there on the screen and stuff like that. It's just Super Chat. That's how a lot of YouTubers get their money. I didn't even know I have it on. I don't even know how to turn it off, actually. So that's the queen here. Run. Almost done. And then we can continue programming. I know. It looks like a little child on the side without legs. Yeah, students actually have to fight schools nowadays. Yeah. It's kind of silly. I don't like the... I'm working in the education system, but I don't really like it. Queen. No background. Only one more. We're almost done. I didn't save that. I know I should have maybe, but okay. Last one. Queen or her little simp. Simp! The internet culture. I love the internet culture. It's so stupid. So I want to keep all these areas here. Good. And I want to get rid of the background. Good. Transparent. Yes, good. There we go. Got this in there. This looks nothing like a rook, but okay. Where? Yes, this is the last one. So now I just take all the no background ones and, well, I can get rid of these. Let's get rid of all the pictures first. My voice? Well, I probably have a different singing voice. The funny thing, whenever I watch my video to cut something out or stuff, I have to listen to my voice, and it sounds so different in my head than it does on tape. It's very strange for me. So there we go. We got all the things. I think the king and the queen, they are hard to see, but we'll see. Canvas, no playing field. Oh, what? Oh, god damn it. What did I do? First one's probably a pawn. Then we go with the rook, the knight, the bishop, the queen, the king. So now it should look a little bit nicer. Almost like a chessboard. Maybe let's make the things a little bit bigger. So they fill almost the whole field. Why is it not? Oh, I'm holding the wrong button. Let's make it 95%. And of course, this should be spread. Here we go. Is the stream cancelled? Wait, no, I'm here. What do you mean is the stream cancelled? I'm here. Hey, Osgur Muzmun. That's a difficult name for me. Why does it lag? It still lags, but I'm just losing 8%. Look at this. This is pretty now. What is the problem with these? Wait. The source image should be gone. Wait, no, wrong one. The source... They do not have a source image. Wait a second. Okay, that's good. So there we have our field. What helped me? No, nothing. I still don't like my voice. Nothing helps there. It's just as it is. Yeah, I'm working with Unity, Osgur. Good, we got this. We got all these. We got our chessboard now done. How am I doing? I'm doing great, except that my internet somehow lags and I don't like it. But we'll figure it out later. So, good, perfect. What next? Oh yeah. The king and queen are hidden in black. I know, it looks kind of silly. Maybe we could change them. Maybe let's change them a little bit. Let's add something on there. I mean, it's fine. It's fine. I could change things, but I'm way too... Am I too lazy? Yeah, I'm too lazy right now. If someone wants to, you can make pictures. Just make pictures of kings and queens and stuff, and just put them in there. Just send them to me. Wait. I'm just gonna Google king, and I'll just take the first thing that shows up. I can't do that. Nope. King. Love it. Oh no, I cannot take. No, it's copyrighted. I cannot take it. My German friends. Well, some probably do. Some probably do. But I don't have many friends, I gotta say. Need some thick girls. Oh yeah, thick. Oh, it's thick chess. You're right. Maybe we will add thick girls later on. That'd be fantastic. Just naked girls. Oh, awesome. I can't do that on stream. I'll do it off stream, and then when it's done, that's the version. Then I mean, king and queen. It doesn't matter. Well, hearts. Well, it's as it is right now. Doesn't matter. Bishop is still there. So one problem that we have is now we're going back into programming. Yay, programming. Is the script that we wrote last time. If you remember, maybe it really is Spotify that actually screws my internet. As soon as I turned Spotify on, lagging started again. Strange. Yeah. So the script that we started last time, if you remember, I had this whole spawn stuff here in the beginning. All this stuff. That's like, what, 100 lines of code and just copy and paste. Almost 100 lines of code. That is, of course, not how you do it. That is ultimately stupid. So we're going to change that and make it maybe 20 lines of code. For this, I will create a function. And that function is private function. Sure, why not? It is void. Private means only in this script I can access it. If I open another window, like in the single field here, it cannot access this thing here. Private, void, that means it does not return any value. If I call this function, it does something, and that's it. It doesn't do anything afterwards. I'm gonna give it a name. Spawn piece. And it needs some inputs. The next thing we need are some inputs. Yeah, we're not going to do a for loop. No, we don't need a for loop. But definitely improving it. So we're gonna spawn pieces, and now we just need some parameters. And the first one is an integer value, and that is the row that we have. Row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is row. We need a second integer. That one is the column. We need a third integer. Yeah, that we're going to change as well, the integer. Yeah, Hartux, for example, he's German. I mean, it's a student of mine. I had one lesson with him, but still a student of mine. Yeah. Parameter. Parameter? You mean parameter? Or parameter? I don't know what parameter is. Int. We need a third one, and that is the type of piece. And we had the types 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, indicating what type it is. And then we have the last one that is a Boolean, and that is black or white. Let's say the color. How can you tag me? I don't know how to tag. Well, in my chat, no one is tagged. And that's pretty much it. That's what we give into the function. So when we execute this function, we need all these parameters. What's wrong with my hair? I don't like it. Yeah. So, and that is exactly what I will take. So from up here, we're always doing two things. To spawn the thing, first we spawn it, and then we later on change the color. And that's so stupid to do. We will do the same, but we won't do it 100 times individually. We will do it with the same function. There we go. That's the function here. There we have. We will spawn right? We will spawn in a certain row and a certain column, and there we want to spawn a certain type, and we want to spawn that certain type with a color. It goes here. One team 2 was this. Oh, those are colors. Oh, okay. Then we don't need a boolean as an input. We need a color as an input. Color, and it's called color. That's fine. Very important here. If you're programming, most programs are case sensitive. That means I have once color with a big C. That is something completely different than color with a small c. Color with a small c is the name of the variable, and color with a big C is the what is it called? The type, right? The data type. So if I would write small color, that wouldn't work. It would give me an error. We have to be case sensitive. That's very important. Depends on the programming language, of course. So that's it. Now I can get rid of everything I did here on top. All of that nonsense. So I got rid of it. And you don't know. Maybe it's different browsers. Maybe it's on the phone or stuff. I don't know. And now we have to do just this spawn piece. We still have to do it 32 times. I can, unfortunately, I don't know how to loop it because it's all different things. It's all individual pieces placed. They all have different parameters. There's not really a good method that would make it more efficient. Not really, unfortunately. We're gonna spawn pieces. And I'll just start at the bottom left, right? At the bottom left, that is row number 1, column number 1. The type is a rook. The rook is type number, I don't know. And therefore, because I don't know the type, it is... whoops. We could do something else. We could do it way more smart. Let's do it smart. But for this, I need to... No, that's not what I want to do. I want to create my own data type, so to say. My own data type. And that is the following. I want to create a public enum. An enum is an enumerator. What do you want to send to chat? Sure, try. If you have a loop, sure, do it. But I can't think of one that would help. I will have an enum. An enumerator just is like an enumeration of, well, some things, right? And in our case, we will have enumerator, and there will be different things we can pick off. Like it's like a drop down. We can pick from things. And here we will have a pawn. We will have a pawn. We will have a rook. We will have a... Oh, a name is missing. Piece type. Yeah, that sounds nice. We will have a pawn. We will have a rook. We will have a knight. We will have a... This is going to be important for later on because we are now choosing the different types. We're just choosing, hey, what figures do exist? Pawn, rook, knight, bishop, queen, and king. This will be important for later on when we decide when we also decide the behavior of which piece. Now I can just say a pawn can do this, a rook can do this, rather than saying type 1, type 0, type 1, type 2. That's annoying. You wouldn't do it. Like, no one would do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We just make an enumerator. And now, but the thing is, now we need that also in here. Give them a score. For example, stuff like this, we could easily do then better with an enumerator. But now I have to do piece type dot what was it? Rook is on the corner. There we go. And the next color is team 1 and team 2, right? Yeah. This seems a little bit more complicated actually now. It seems a bit more complicated, but it's way better type of programming because now I can copy and paste this and easily make it. But let's test if this actually works because I don't know. It's live programming. Hey, programming never works on the first try. Oh, that's how it is. Oh my god. What? Oh, well, yeah, of course. It gives me blip blip blip. What? Blip 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 blip. Please sprite a sprite. Gives me piece images type. Oh, god damn it. Well, I don't know how this works again. The problem is we had the image is depending on the type, right? And on the type, and the type was an integer before, and we have stored it in this array. We have stored it in an array somewhere there, piece images, which doesn't work anymore because we don't have this integer anymore. We have the piece type. Now we need the following. We need to get, you see this? Piece pawn is an equal 0. Rook is a 1, knight is a 2, bishop is a 3, this is a 4, this is a 5. I don't know the syntax. Wait. No, I can't get rid of the piece images. If I would, well, we wouldn't have a picture anymore. I just need the. There is an easy way to do it. The thing is, bye, Zashlot, bye. You're still newbie. Get the index. Hey, Sugarbutter, hi. Get index. What? How to get the blah 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 int enum value? Can I? Are you kidding me? I can just typecast it. Okay, that is funny. I didn't know int. Are you kidding me? Oh, whoops. Oh, I can't just typecast it. So that's so easy. Good. That's really good. The only problem that I would have right now is probably that I have not assigned the correct elements to it, but that's fine. That's easy to do. I actually assigned the right thing. Good, now we can continue. If you don't know what I did, I'm just now accessing, instead of the name here, I'm accessing the number 0, number 1, number 2, because I needed to get the image. That's C sharp. C sharp, very close to Java. It's pretty much the same as Java from my experience. Now we just need to spawn the others. So the 1, 2 is not a rook, the 1, 2 is a knight. 1, 3 is a bishop. And so on. This is what I'm gonna do now. 1, 4 is the queen. 1, 5 is the king. 1, 6 is a bishop. 1, 7 is the knight. 1, 8 is a rook again. That should be the first row. Any other forum hot hooks? I usually Google things if I don't know the answer. Like right now. Oh, it is actually Stack Overflow. I just Googled the problem. I pretty much gave this question in enumerator C# get the index. And then usually you get some source. Sometimes it's forums, sometimes it's Stack Overflow. I really just Google. The main problem is knowing what your problem is. Asking Google the right questions. It's pretty hard sometimes, but still possible, I would say. Look at this. This works fine. And now I can spawn figurines way better than before. You remember before we had like 100 lines of code just with nonsense? We don't have that anymore. I could now actually make a loop that loops 8 times because all the pawns, they're all the same, but no, I'll do them individually. Second row, first thing is a pawn, and it still belongs to team 1. Usually you would loop. But just for 8 times and just because, well, I do it once, why would I loop? No. Let's see. The one problem I have when programming is I always test. I test like 1 billion times. Look at this. I need to test. I knew it's going to work, but I still need to test. I don't know why. This is strange. Even though I know it works. And we're going to do that for Team 2 as well now. Here we go. Just copy and paste. For Team 2. Let's call it Team 2. It is what it is. That's going to be 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. That's Team 2, 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 Team 2. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Wait. No, I did it wrong. You'll see in a second. Of course, the pawns, they don't spawn at row 8. That wouldn't make any sense. Now it's not even. The field is not even now. It's gonna look a little bit funny, probably. Let's see. Basically, the row with the king and queen, they're exchanged. You see the pawns are now on top and the important ones are down here. Probably this one has a huge advantage now because the pawns are not in the way. So for chess, that wouldn't work. No, I did it the wrong way. So all these need to be 8s. That's where a loop would have probably helped somehow, but nah. There we go. And now we've got the field again. And I can spawn pieces with just one line of code. I can now spawn different pieces wherever I want. Which of course is way better than what we had before, where it was 3 lines of code for every single piece and very complicated ones. No, that's way better. Pretty, isn't it? So, next. Waiting for my PLC. Hi, Gaurav. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of behind with the PLC videos. I didn't feel like the last week and this week, but there will definitely be more. But I didn't really feel like. I'm sorry. 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 Yes, that's what I mean, Hartux. You need to know what the problem is. And of course, experience helps. I have programming experience 15 years now or so. Of course, experience helps in that. Even I don't know a lot of things. I watch a lot of, not a lot of, but some YouTubers, YouTubers, programming streams, and there I always find out something new. Every stream I watch, I find something new. It just takes time. So next, I want to be able to select every single field. I should be able to select every individual field. Therefore, in the single fields here, this is a single field here, right? I want to have a graphic. The first thing is I want to have a graphic that indicates that this field has been selected. There's different ways I could change the color of the field itself, but what I prefer is I really just put a picture on top. So we will just create a UI element, a picture. Where is it? Image. We will just put an image on top that says, hey, this field has been selected. Here we go. And I will need a sprite, some picture, something. Maybe let's take something simple for now. Let's take the knob. UI mask? No, let's take a knob. And that one indicates, hey, this field has been selected. I still see through it. I can't see through it anymore. I will definitely have to take a different one, but let's see. Let's take this one for now. That's the anchor. Gonna look a little bit silly, but that's how it is. Different ways. Well, but that's also what you have teachers for, don't you? Like, they can help. Teachers, trainers, Ausbilder, whatever you have. So this one is going to be the picture for being selected. And then the single field here, I already have a script for every single field. This one here right now. And every single field will also have an interface, of course, to that image. That is field selected image, whatever. And that's, of course, gonna be this one here. And whenever a field is selected, I want to show this picture. If it's not selected, I don't want to show it. So it's not going to be like a drag and drop. It's more a click there and then click there. Drag and drop would be way more complicated if it comes to programming. Way more. Click. Whoops, wrong one. This one should be off from the beginning. Yeah, the image. Let's take the image. Off from the beginning. And there I want to have a script. I want to have a script, a function, a public function, select field. That's our function. For now, it doesn't do much. It just activates the image. Active. So enabled. If we select the field, it's gonna be enabled. If we deselect the field, it's gonna be disabled. There we go. And that should almost be it. The only thing we need. When does that happen? When does that happen? And I have no button element. Thought I had a button. So this field here, the field itself, should serve as a so-called button. So I'll add a component that is a button. And it's the whole field right now. And this button, when I click it, there is an on-click. On-click, something should happen. That's where I added. On-click, something should happen. And that is, oops. That thing that should happen is inside this script that I have, the single field script. Boop. And it's the function button. And I have called it select field. No, single field is the script. And there is select field. That's it. And now I can select every single field, hopefully. Boop. See it? I can select the fields. The problem is I cannot deselect them anymore. Really? No, everything I would say right now, Hartix, would be just offensive. But I would also go this far that I also know a lot about PLC programming that a lot of others don't know. So now I can select all these fields, right? I can select them. Pretty easy, pretty simple. There we go. Bloop, 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 bloop. But that's not enough. It started lagging again, does it? It's probably the heat. Maybe it's the heat. The good thing is I can listen to music again because it's not the music. Yeah. Now, this is gonna be complicated. I can already tell you, this is gonna be complicated. We could do it easy and simple, which I don't want to do. because that would be not efficient. It wouldn't be wrong per se, but it wouldn't be efficient. What we will need, I will have to open my other project because I don't know the syntax. We will need something called a callback. Yeah, we need something called a callback. Oh no, we don't. We don't. We don't. We don't. I don't. Do we? No, we don't need a callback. We could make a callback. That would be complicated right now. I don't want to do it. That might be complicated. So let's not do it. I have another way that's not as good, but it still works and it's fine. Therefore, we have our two scripts, the single field and the field. What I do is the following. When we select a field, if I select this one here, the single field is now selected in itself. What we will also do is we will tell the field that this single small field, so the field, the big script, we're going to tell that script that this one single field there is selected. If we select another field, the big script will automatically deselect the old single field. So we just need a reminder, which was the old field. Right? And that's what we're going to do here. So we will have a public single field. Greetings from Havana. Oh, that sounds nice. Hi, Jose. Havana, nice. Yeah, we will have a public single field script, and that one is the current field. And we will have a second one that is not the current field, but the old field. And this is where we're going to store the old field that has been selected in. And if we select another field, it will override that old field. Do we actually need the current one? We'll see. Or the old one. Yeah. So that also means when we select a field, we select this field, we will need to go into field, into the big one, and save the one we have, the current field. Yeah. And therefore, again, I will write a function. That one is a public function. It returns a void, is fine, and we will call that select new field. This will also be important for later on, because we need to overwrite other figurines, right? So let's see. This select new field needs an input, and that is a single field. And that is, we call this new field. Don't worry, it can be offensive. I have a couple of POC videos on 1500 communication, yeah. Depends on what you need. I even have a playlist, I think. Let me see. Actually, let's do this. YouTube. And there we go. Baba Hegamol, that's me. I think I'm online, yay! And I should have playlists. Where is it? Industrial communication. There we go. Oh, there's advertisements on my channel. I didn't know. I know, of course I know. Yeah, and there's a lot of different. There's 17 videos in this playlist. Okay. Don't get. Well, that's a different coding now. This is not normally open, normally closed coding. This is not POC. This is really on PC. This is C#. it's different. I'm sorry. Select new field with the new field. And then we can do with the current field dot deselect field. We already have that script. We will just call that script. Yeah. And then we say current field is new field. That's it. That's it. Now we just need to always call this event here. Mouse coding. Oh, I don't like this drag and drop coding. I like this old field, I think. The only thing is we need a singleton now. We need a singleton. That one is a bit more complicated. That's why I need to copy and paste it. Standard, no. This one? Yeah. We need a so-called singleton. We need to access that code. I could do it differently, but no. We will take a singleton. Whatever that is. Right now, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter for now. Because I will copy and paste it now, and then you will see. Because the field itself here. The single field needs to access the field now. It needs to access this function here. But how does it do it? It needs to search for it. I could go very simple actually. And say find. I could go find component of type. Well, let's do that actually. Find component of type, and that is field. So by doing this, by searching for, by finding a component of field, meaning this one because we only have one, I can execute a function. And I will execute a function, whoops. This function here, it needs to be public. If it would not be public right now, I could not do it, but it is. This one, and I will do, what will I give to this? This, which is the script, the field that we are executing this from. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. That should work already. Now we can select and deselect fields. Let's see if that actually, well, that is my other program. I don't want that here. Let's see if that works. We could be able to select and deselect fields now. Yeah, perfect. So we're selecting a new field. Let's see if that actually gets executed. I probably did a mistake somewhere. I definitely did a mistake somewhere. Hey. Let's see. What? Did you write something else, Chirac? I didn't see it. So now I've got this debug statement. So whenever I, do something. Whenever I do something, I should get a debug message down here. Whenever I select one. Hey, oh, we've got an error actually. You see it? We have an error. There. Well, there. We have an error. It's not set to an instance. Whoops. Oh. That is because I want to deselect a field before the first time I'm executing this. I want to deselect a field, but I can't. It doesn't exist yet. That's why I have to catch this error with an if statement. If current field is not null, do this. That's it. The problem was there was really an error. A logic error from my side. You don't hear my music, but you can believe me, it's shitty music. And now we can only select one field, you see it? Boop. And I can also deselect it. Oh, I can't reselect it, that's interesting. So one problem that I see, if I select the same field twice, it's just going to deselect, and I cannot reselect it. So we also have to catch that error. Programming is a lot of catching errors and testing. So only if the new field is unequal the current field, only then I will save the new field. That should get rid of that error. Actually, this program is relaxing. Wait. Why didn't that work? Oh, yeah, of course. I also need this here. That's it. Now, actually, the lags start again. It's so fascinating to see my frames drop. Yeah, I cannot reselect it here, but I can select another one. That's great. Look at this. No, it's not. It's usually not a feature. It's usually an error. Here we go. So next thing. The next thing I want to do is I can only select a field. Whoops. No. I can only select a field if there is a figurine on it, if there's a piece on it. I can right now also select these, which is kind of stupid. Nah, I'm good. Let's not do it for now. So next. Why do I do this? Row column is okay. Type and color. Let me see. Why do I not... Nah, that's okay. I'm just... the big problem probably with streaming programming is you cannot see what is going on in my head. Like, I'm thinking, how can I make this more efficient? How can I make this better? Because there's definitely better ways most of the times. And I'm like, no, that's okay for now. I could make it more clean, but nah, why would I? It's gonna work fine. Yeah, it's gonna work fine. Yeah. So next, what I want to do is the following. You can also move pieces. Who would have guessed? Me. We can also move pieces, and therefore, of course, I want to have, well, another function. Another function. And that is a private function. It's void. It is move piece. And this move piece requires a couple of things. It requires the current field. Which is a single field. And it also requires another single field. So one from where we want to move and one where we are going to move to. Let's call this also new field. Yeah, you're right. Zashlot, you are 100% correct. So you better do it already in the beginning. But this program, it's not gonna be too big, I think. But that was also one consideration I had. So in this move piece, right? This move piece, we want to... You got stung by Medusa. Oh no! Should we sting? This move piece, we want to execute if in this case here, let me think. If we select a new field, you have the piece sprite. That's a little bit stupid. Yeah, I need to do something else first. We will need every single field. I want to save if there is a figurine on it. I want to save if there's a figurine on it, so that's what I'm going to do as well. Public, and there we have this enumerator already. All right, piece type. Was that it? No. What do I call it? Piece type. Public enum piece type. Why do I not have access here to it? Should have access to it. Possible here? It's possible. Why can I not do it there? Public enumerator, yeah. What? I should be able, because this is public, I should be able to access it here as well. But why can I not? I'll have to think for a second. I will do that after the video right now. It's been my last live stream from this week. From last week, sorry. And I will probably make a really serious out of it, because when live streaming I still do a lot of errors, which I don't really like. Yeah. Let's see, how did I do it here in my big project right now? I don't know the syntax of Unity of C# too well. Enumerate types there. Public enum. Oh, I'm an idiot. This needs to go outside those brackets here. Now it is accessible. If it's inside here, it is only available to this class. So right now it is outside, so it's also outside available. You can see it here. If it's inside, it's only inside. But now it's outside. I'm an idiot. Public, and now we should have piece type. Yes. Current piece. Well, the thing is, if I can't read now. I cannot read. I would have to go to the screen like that. Very close. So I have to wear glasses. It's so hot. Yeah, so we have this current piece now. Right? So every single field will have this current piece. So nice. And we also need to assign it. Right? We need to assign it when we spawn the piece. We need to assign it. That was also stupid of me, but okay. Niemals. Yeah, so here we go. I also need to... Oh, that's how I did it. That's actually smart. Not the piece sprite, but the current piece is the type that we have. Done. So now every single field itself will have the information what type it has on it. I work with Siemens, but not employed by Siemens. Setting a bigger font doesn't really work. It's still not sharp. I mean, I can read it now, but it's not sharp. It doesn't really help. It hurts my eyes, actually, if I do that. So I won't. So now every single field also has the type. Ah, man, let's do it correct. Let's do it correct. Let's do it correct. We will have a function. Every single field can update itself. Hey, Verinda, hi. And updating itself means it knows which piece it is. So it sets the color itself. So we will just have this update field. And therefore, every single field also needs... That's not going to work. Needs to be an integer. Hola, Dora. Haven't seen you in ages. Ultra graphics ad. Yeah, that's YouTube for you. I didn't know there's ads. I think I didn't turn them on for this video. That's how it is. Good. Yeah, good programmer gets good money almost everywhere nowadays. Well, not too good anymore because there's so many programmers. Actually facing a problem right here. No, I don't. I do not face a problem. Public bool team 1 and public bool team 2. I'm now preparing. Every single field needs to have an information. What is it? What is in it? That's what I'm doing now. So we're changing off the style a little bit, but that's okay. Loki cool. Yeah, nowhere is cool. Like nowhere is the best place to be. Yeah. Equal the type. You have office tomorrow. Have a nice day. You can always still watch the video afterwards. Yeah, Fabsy. Yeah, that's what you need after 9 hours of C#. Some more C#. I've also been programming the whole day, basically. Not the whole day, but half the day. Yeah. Oh, now this is so stupid of me. I will think about this later. So it's fine for now. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be annoying. This... I understand what I did, but it's stupid. No, it's not. It's okay. We just need... another variable. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Oh, now I'm stuck. You know that when you're programming and all of a sudden you get stuck a little bit and you're like, oh shit, I should have done it differently from the beginning on. And now, right now, I'm at the point like, no, I should have. Oh, this is, why did I do this? Bye-bye. That's why I don't have ads. Yeah, I thought so. I'll do it. I'll do it. It doesn't matter. I'll do it. Guys, I'm gonna do it. Because the color itself, the field, it's important for the field. It's not important for the single field. It's not important for the big field. In the big field, when spawning, it is important for the... No, we will have a lot of errors here, yeah. It is important here if it is a white or a black, like which team it belongs to. And this needs to be an integer. Ah, yeah, now I'm lost a little bit. I'm sorry. It's not there. It goes here. Oh yeah, that was stupid. That's programming, Hartox. That's programming. What I'm doing now is I'm basically changing a bit, because before we just changed the color of each field, which does not make much sense. Now what I'm doing now is I'm changing which the field, which team does it belong to right now, which makes way more sense rather than just changing the color of it. The color will then be changed depending on the team type. So I'm basically adding one layer on top of it. But therefore I need to change some things. Int team. Yeah. Hey, is it called team in chess? It's probably not. Yeah. Now I need to change. I just need to change some things and then fix the program before everything is broken. Let's change that first. No. Oops. Team is 2. So team 1 is team 1, team 2 is team 2. We will need that information later on anyway. Yeah. You never have moments like that. That's experience. That's experience when you think I could have now pushed it through as I did it, but I was already thinking, no, this will lead to more problems later on. So I will just do this. Which are problems right now, but later on it will be better. You will see. I hope. Yeah, probably. Yeah. Because now I'm doing the update, like the field update here, the update field itself, inside every single field rather than in the big script that we have. Yeah. That makes it easier. It's better for the calculation. Everything is better, but well, I could have broken everything right now. I don't know. Piece sprite. This should work. Why does it work? Don't worry. I have the same problems. I have, yes. Whoops. Oh, but now I need the piece images. They're also not in the big field anymore. I don't care about them in the big field here. Just want them in here. should not have caused any problems here. Yeah, I'm sorry that we can do small talk. Now I'm just thinking, and I'm just correcting right now. Why would I need this? I don't need this. It is an image. Yeah. Didn't I have this integer value here? That is the team. Oh, the team I have here. It's being executed here. And there, of course, I need to push that in there. Oh, yeah. Now we're good. Now we're good. Now we're good. Everyone, don't worry. I know what I'm doing. I have no idea. Yeah, team. There we go. Update field. Yeah. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. No idea what I'm doing. I have no idea. Maybe a switch case. Let's make a switch case. No one. Yeah, that's fine. Perfect. A switch case. So what I'm doing now is basically when the field is created, right? The field gets created here. The field gets created. We're spawning a piece. And then by spawning the piece, we're actually telling the field what piece sits there, right? We're telling the field what piece sits there, which team does it belong to, and then we're telling the field to update the graphics. That's the three things. And now I have this update field script that that updates the image that the field has depending on what team is it on and what's the piece. That's it. That's it. I don't even need a default statement. Oh, well, let's make it default. Default will be a white field. Break. The fascinating thing is that every case statement needs a break statement, which I haven't learned like this in C. In just pure C, it is not that way. It's very strange that I need a break statement. Yeah, if no piece is present, we will have, well, it will just display a white field. And white means it's either black or white. Very strange, but yeah. You're right, we need to catch that here as well. Do I? I think we need to. But right now, I think. I am not a programmer. I'm not employed as a programmer, so I don't really know. Let's see. I have made a lot of changes. I think nothing is going to work because I still need to link a couple of things now. The first is I need to reassign the piece images. 0 is the pawn, 1 is the bishop, 2 is the knight, 3 is the, wait, no, that's not the bishop, that's the rook, that's the bishop, that's the queen, and that's the king. No. And then the team colors I need to re-choose. One team is green, I guess. Whatsoever, and the other one is purple? I guess so. Let's see if anything works. I don't think so. It works? That's unexpected. That's so unexpected. What is life about? What is life about? That's a big question. I mean, life's good, but what is it about? I don't know. I do not have my own team. Why would I have a team? It's a hobby. Look at this, it works. I did not expect it to work. Ah, perfect. I love it when that happens. I love it. I mean, I expected it to work kind of, but I didn't expect it to work perfect. Ah, yes. We just changed everything and it still works. Now a lot of the calculation takes place inside the field rather than inside the every single field rather than the big field. I'm happy about it. Life's good, life's good. Life's good. Now we can actually move the piece. I did not think this would happen so easily. Yes, I'm just happy right now. I didn't think it would work. Hey, Rox, hi. I'm enjoying this torture. It's programming. Programming's fun. As long as it works. As long as programming works, it's fun. Now we want to move. Now we want to move. And when do we want to move? When a new field is selected. I will not catch like which figurine, which piece can like go where and so. That of course is still a lot of work, but I want to be able to move the single pieces. So that's in here. So in here, that's where I'm going to do things, but the old stuff gets in our way a little bit. Actually, this doesn't. If the current field is not null, so if we already have something selected, and if the new field that we have selected is not the same field that we already had, then we want to move. Then we want to move move piece from the current field into the other one. Move the current field into the new field. That's what we want to do. I will have to replace those names. New field. Old field. Old field, new field. I have to give it different names because I'm overloading it right now, but I don't want to. Which is a strange thing to say if you don't know what those words mean. Yeah, Chirac, I'm actually working on another bigger project. For a change, let's get away from chess. Let's look at my big project that I'm working on. Maximize on play. Yes, please. The big project I'm working on is this one here, and I made a lot of progress. That's not maximized. What is this nonsense? There we go. I made a lot of progress in here. And it's the following. I can now build the city, basically. So I've got, on the right side here, I've got my city storage, what's in there, and I have my production. I can now, for example, collect wood. I have, I can manufacture things. Now I can select, I want to manufacture 10 of these things. And now I'm really manufacturing things, so it's a big part of my upcoming game is already in there. Hey, that's the building I just built. And when this is done, like when I'm manufacturing things, they of course will change things in the world. Now I could, for example, build a bridge here. I will need to assign workers there. Oh yeah, this bridge takes way longer. So I'm working really on this. It's a huge project. It's probably already like a couple of thousand lines of code. It's quite fun. But that is not right now. That's not what I'm doing right now. Right now, we are doing chess. Wait. Alone. I'm doing everything alone. In my team, I'm just a teacher. I'm just a trainer. So I'm not doing anything with anyone. So move piece from the current field to the new field. It's pretty simple, actually. New field. New field dot what is it? Dot not team. New field dot well team as well. Team is equal to old fields dot team. New field dot piece. Did I call it piece? I'm not really social. No, not in real life. On the internet, I'm streaming and I'm playing with people and I'm doing stuff. But in real life, I'm not really. I'm not like asocial or anything, but I'm not really a social bee, as they say. New field will get old field dot current piece. Then the old field team will be 0. The old field piece current piece, whoops, will also be 0. Can I write? Null? Do I have to write null? I can probably write null. That should be fine. And then I update both fields and we're fine. I cannot write null. Oh, I will need to add a new field, a new figurine that is null. Nothing. God damn it. This is gonna break everything, is it? It's gonna break everything. Is it? I will need a. I will need an empty image. I will just need an empty image. Maybe it might work. It might. I might have an error now, but that's easy to fix. I don't really want to, Chirac. No, maybe at some point I will show my working place, but I don't really feel like showing everything. Sorry. Yeah, that doesn't really work. Why doesn't it work? Okay. Whoops. Oh, I didn't call the I didn't call the function. That makes sense. Yep. If you don't call the function, of course nothing will work. And the global one, the deselect field. Both will also get the deselect fields. And the last thing, old fields, null. New field, null. Yeah, that might work. We might be able to move figurines now. Maybe. Not in the correct pattern or anything, but it would be enough to play chess. Oh yeah, look at how it works. Perfect. Or the debug. Somehow my debug message does not, it's not going in there. It's not going in here. Let's go in there. Oh. That's why you should always use a debugger. Actually, I'm not using a debugger. This is just log messages, which is, everyone does that, but it's wrong to do. But, well, that's okay. Okay, so it goes in there. Idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm not doing it anymore. I need this line of code down here. Yeah, I need this line of code. Oh, this will be another problem. This will be another thing, but that's fine. Pitchback communication. Oh, but there's many things I don't know. Perfect. That worked just fine. What is this problem here? I know the problem. Why does it still occur? I thought I caught it. Oh, there. I changed it here in the programming language. I said 7. It is 7 different ones long. And here in the program, it still says 6. Oh, no, almost 7. That should be, I don't know, none. Strange. That was a Unity problem, actually. Oh, look at this! Look at me! Woohoo! I'm moving. Oh, the fields turn white. That's kind of stupid. Hey, we could play chess, you know. Hey, it works. It kind of works. The only problem is now that this sprite here does not want to do what I want to do. It almost works. It almost just one more. Basically, 2 more lines, maybe 3. I don't know. Pre-sprite, piece of yeah, just not 2 lines, but just one if statement. 7, 6. If it is like if the field is empty, I just don't want to show that image. Sprite dot image. No. Enabled. Active. How's it called? Oh no. False. Else we want to show it. No problem with that. Also, new things to learn. You cannot share links. Unfortunately, you cannot share links in the chat. Look at this. Aha! Look at this. Wait, can I actually check? Love it. One big problem is that it now does not deselect the old field. It just jumps. I'm always moving the same piece, which of course is not correct. I cannot select another one. Now this pawn is there forever. And another problem is that it doesn't show me the select thing anymore. Why is it? Why? Oh, because of this. And that is a so-called return statement. That's it. This is actually fun. Let's see. That should work. Maybe. No, it does not. I can delete them. I can kill them. That's not entirely correct, I guess. It's just this statement here somehow. Move piece. But the move piece? Old field, new field, they're both null. Oh, they're still selected. Are they? No, I deselect them here. What? Sometimes programming is really like, well, I have no idea what's going on. I cannot select the same field. That is correct. I can select a new one. But now I'm deleting them. Why? That field, no, select field. Enabled. Yeah, it will. It will be. I will make it public, but I will probably sell it somehow. Don't know yet. The deselect field is not there. Why? Oh, the deselect, it does not. When deselecting it, it does not deselect it here. Oh, the deselect basically doesn't do anything. Well, it does because I have this here. What? Now I will really have to go into details. Oh, that's. This is where programming gets really interesting. No, it doesn't. I hate it. What's going on? Oh, I can't even see them. Shit. I will fix this. I will fix this. From the game that I'm developing, well, I'm probably gonna put it on Steam or something. Don't know yet. Probably Steam. We'll need more debug statements. Let's see, debug statements. I love debug statements. Oops. Let's take this one here. This debug statement. Because I want to see if those fields are actually being deselected. New field. Very strange. And also the old field. I just want to see if they're really deselected. Feels like they are not. Oh, they are not. Oh, I'm an idiot. I know, I say that. Hatux, you're completely correct. Programming is like, I'm a genius, I'm an idiot. I'm a genius, I'm an idiot. I'm jumping, I'm doing parkour here. Yeah, of course, it is still there. They're still selected. Hey Lacoste, hi. I'm programming. We're programming chess. We're making chess. And I just realized that I'm stupid. Not stupid, but I made a mistake. I made a rookie mistake. Incredible. I said when I created this, oh, I need to give this another name because I need to do it later. I need to deselect the fields that I have, the original ones here. And I definitely need to do that. Current field needs to be deselected. Current field. There we go. That should have fixed it. Does it? And here as well. Well, these don't matter at all. I am an idiot. Not, yeah, maybe good idea. But I think that might have fixed it. Kinda. Whoa, this is fancy now. I mean, it works. It kind of works, but there's a different problem now. Look, I can do this. That's fine. And I can now do this. And now it's green again. And now it's purple again. So that works. Well, that's something, isn't it? The problem right now is actually I need to do the same thing. I need to what I had before. Deselect. Isn't that how I called it? Deselect field. Ah, there we go. That should be it. That should be it. Hey, don't I can duplicate whatever I want. That's not cheating. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Isn't that how chess works? Good. Yes. Wait, no, how can I? Those are just random pawns now. Whoa. I like it that we all of a sudden we've got white fields all of a sudden. Don't even know where from. I know where we're from because they don't have a color. They don't have. What? And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Oh. That's strange. It's Twitch, Chirac. It's Twitch. There's also some people. Hello there on Twitch, by the way. Some people on Twitch join. Yeah, we've got this. What? It's 3-player chess now. It's just randomly players join. Oh, this I don't even know where this comes from. I have no idea. I mean, very interesting. The base game works. You see, the base game works, and you know, bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, green is losing. Oh no. But well, we got this. Oh, check. Oh, you lose. I mean, we can theoretically we can already play chess. Huh? What is with those white thingies here? It works every second time. No, it doesn't. It sometimes works, it sometimes doesn't. There it works again. Empty field then occupied. So that's the right mindset. This is now testing. I have no idea. An empty one and then it overrides the team. Oh, that was a good hint. Thank you. Select a new field. If the current field is null, we also want to know if the current field does not have, like, is teamless. That's good. For now, that's probably it. It's just chess. There's no levels in chess. If current field dot, what is a team? Did we call it team? Zero? No, it has to be unequals 0. Ah, thank you. That actually helped, I think. Might have been the right trick. Because if I had a field selected that was not belonging to a team, it still did the script. It still did the function. I mean, we're not deselecting the thing now anymore. That's fine, I guess. But, yeah. Huh. That's better. Uh, then do this. If it is, give me that sweet else statement. Else. We don't need this anymore because, well, that's it. I think we can play chess. Current field dot deselect field. I think that's it. How many times did I say that today? I think that's it. I think we got it. I'm pretty sure we got it. Probably like 1,000 times. I don't know Python. No, I haven't used Python yet. Now I can select different fields. Whoa. It works. I mean, it doesn't work from the figures that they only do what they can do. And it's not turn-based, but you're a genius. Thank you, Hotux. That was good. Good, very, very good hint. Like it. Thank you. Does anyone want to play chess? Now we're building it. Let's build it. You are very welcome. Pretty. I will call you pretty. And now you can also learn C#. Look at this. So we got chess. Look at this. We have chess. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, who wants to play? Wait a second. Yeah, I'll do one more thing. Oh, I cannot exit it. I don't have an exit statement. I cannot quit the game. Oh, that's awesome. Pradeep. Okay. Wasn't that the playing field? Oh yeah, that's it. Oh, I'm in the game. That's why. Thick chess. I'll add one more thing, and then I'll call it a day. I just Google. No, chess. I just misspelled chess. I'm an idiot. A chessboard. That's what I'm searching for. Wait. Oh no, on the bottom it's the black part. I didn't. Wait. Oh, it's the other way around. Oh, okay. From India. I thought that's where the name comes from. With understanding is, yeah, that's my style. Well, it depends on the perspective. I usually would put white on the bottom, and then we would have 1, 2, 3. So they always no. This is the way I do it. Interesting. So it's different ways of looking at it. I would just add the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to it. So then we can play around. Playing field, no. UI, panel. That one goes somewhere here. Yeah, that's the panel. It goes behind the field. And now I want to put like numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so. But it needs to be like this. Yeah. Let me guess. Gujarat. One of the few states I know. Gujarat. See? See, that's what I guessed. So in the background, I will just put numbers. And that's... Well, I would need 2 panels. Again, 2 panels. One goes to the left here. That's going to be A, B, C, D, E, and G, and so on and so on. Vertical. And I will also have one that is horizontal. And this is not just fooling around. Not needed, but I want to have the numbers there. Like this. And now I can basically say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. Ha! Gujarat! See, I knew it. That's the only state I know. But my videos are not about Rockwell. I think, are they? So now we will need A, B, C, and so on. Therefore, I will create Ahmedabad. Yeah, I've not been there. I've been to India, and people said, "Oh, you should go there." I was like, I have no idea what that means. Let me crank that up a bit, like this. Well, the size doesn't matter here. That is 8. And the font size. Ah, 70? Does it still fit? Yeah. Hyderabad. I also heard that, but well, yeah. B. This is a B. This is a C. This is a D. Oh, this is no programming. Yeah, I love it. This is copy paste. This is what they call monkey programming or monkey tasks, I think. A, B, C, D, E. Because it's just stupidly putting in stuff and not even thinking about anything. F. But you gotta always pay attention, because you could always make mistakes. G. And the last one, and H. H. And now I just need to make a group. Boop. And there they are. Pretty, right? Isn't it? I guess that will be correct. I think I did it a bit wrong, but that's okay. Kinda. Maybe that looks good. I don't know. It's just right now. It's just fooling around. Oh, it's almost hit the center. That's good. ABC, blah, 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 blah. And the same with the vertical axes. Let's get a copy of this one, please. 1. And 1 is going to start at the bottom, so we will have the other way around. Almost done, almost done. When, as I said, when this is done, I will call it a day. It's been fun. It's been fun. People joined. People talked. I love it. 5. 6. Almost messed that up. 6. 7. And 8. So this also needs a group, but in this time it needs a vertical group, of course, and it is, well, the other way around. Heading left, right, more to the what? There we go. A little bit more from the top. Maybe like this. Should look fine. And reverse arrangement. There we go. And now we got chess. We did it. We did it. We could theoretically play chess. I love it. It's thick chess. It's thick chess. In 2 streams we made chess. What? Total 3 hours? It's not done yet. Of course it's not done. We still need to have an evaluation. Can you really move to that field? But, I mean, as long as everyone sticks to the rules now, it's done. It's like a real chessboard where you can put pieces however you want. You just need to play with the rules. So, green goes first. There. My move. Okay, chat. Your move. 1 second. I'll be right back. We will play around. Chat, just write whatever you want to move. If you want to go with a pawn, you have to write pawn from D7 to D5. It's the classic. It's the classic chess we're playing now. You have to write which one moves where. I am green. I am green. I'll be right back. Let's see. I am back. So you say e7 to e6. Let's see. E7, e6. Okay, my move. My move. Okay. Wait. This one. Oh, we can play chess. It's unbelievable. Okay, your move. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Chat. I'm gonna wait. How much is the delay? I hope the delay is not too big. Whoever writes first, I'm gonna make that move. And the settings should be, there should almost be no delay. Wait, I just realized how much money I was given. Thank you. Thank you. I think it was brains, right? Pff, insane. Oh no, the delay might even be big because of the 8A to 6A. 8. A? I is not possible. I assume you mean this one. I'm just making assumptions then. Because you cannot go from the tower, you cannot move through the figures. We don't have illegal moves yet. That's unfortunately true. Here we go. Bloop. We can play chess. 7-8. Yeah, okay, good, good, good. Now all we need are is different figurine, like figures, different chess pieces, really nice ones. Come on, come on, come on. If this isn't done in like 5 minutes, the whole game, I'm just gonna throw over the chessboard and that's it. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5 seconds and then I will call it quits anyway. Experience in E-Plan. I have worked with E-Plan a little bit, but not really experienced in it. Wait, I cannot deselect the field. Oh, that's pretty bad. Sorry, I made the move. 8B to 6C. 8B to 6C. That is a valid move, yes. Dun, 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 dun. 7G. I'm just gonna do what I see. 7G to 5G. Okay, sure. I'll take that. And yeah, I'm just doing nonsense now. It actually works. It's so fascinating that it works. I'm sorry. I'm still shook that it works. Maybe next time we can play. Well, the time's running out, so I don't really know. Here we go. I'll do this. I'll do that. I'll do this. I will do that. I will do. This one. Boop. Oh, I can delete pieces. Wait, that's a legend move here. Like this, like that. I'm going all out. Well, all out offensive. Except the king, of course. Oh no, that's the queen. All out offensive here. I think green wins. I think green wins. Wait. Oh, that's this one. This one here is John Wick. I tell you, this one is John Wick. There we go. Okay, this is fantastic. I win. Yeah, I win. So that works fine. Good. Okay, that's all for now. I would maybe make this even a series and repeat steps and then really explain what's going on so that people can understand what I did. Because a lot of things now were confusing today. That's how it is. This was fun. I will probably make another stream to make the the chess piece behaviors really in there, then win, lose, restart, and all of that side stuff. But we have a working chess. Perfect. That was the goal for today, and we have it done. Thanks to your help. Yeah. I wish you a nice evening. Enjoy your day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to subscribe. Most of you are probably. And I'll see you next time around. Bye bye. Good night. Yeah, bye.